Right, it's the edge shed in with the head. It's the edge shed with the head, yeah? Now the edge shed has had more bad news as usual. Edge's life's not turned out quite the way he wanted to be. But the head is in here somewhere. Head! Where are you? Heed! Come on! Sven the key. Sven the key of Concubo. Or Sven the color the key. Right. Now what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Look. Have you spoken to your subscribers and your viewers? Say
Hello.
Back in the Fortnite people, this is real time, yeah? You can't kill anybody else.
Back in the Fortnite people, this is real time.
Right, now get back in here, get back in. Now look. I want to try and get it started. I wired the ignition up, I've got the coil working, I've got everything working, but there's a problem. You know what the problem is? Won't turn over. And I just think, why Mia? You know what I mean?
No.
Do you know what that is? Why Mia?
No.
Why me?
No.
So we got the power supply lined up over there. We got everything that should be as it should be. You're a proper spally in that. But don't throw it on the floor, pick it up and put it back where it should belong. What is it? What does it say on it? What does it say on it? Numbers.
13.
Put it over here, in that toolbox. In 13 is what?
I'm not sure.
That bloody foreigners is Metro. Is that in the 13 place?
No.
Yeah. It's now at the minute.
It is.
Right, good. Bloody. Oh, I'm glad look, you're learning. So look, Aston, we're getting there, mate. Have you got any petrol?
No.
Aston, neat.
Yeah?
Have you got any petrol?
No.
Well, get away from the back of the car because you're going to get hurt. Right, come here. Come here. Right, now look. Stand here and look at this. Right, everything's connected. We haven't got ignition leads, but we have got an issue. Now look, if I touch this, see this? On here, it's either going to explode in my face and we're all going to die. Oh, come back! This is why the world has become so bad. Children now have got no... I am really not happy with that. Yeah, something's not right. Aston, something's not right. Why the hell? Why didn't I check it before he did it? This worked, right? This turned over. This turned over. It's either the battery's no good or something's not right. It's turned over and I'm really out here. Nice thing. Do you know what I actually think? And I know you're watching this. But I actually think that, like, God, there is a God who fucking hates me. Right, okay, so that's not working. Right, that's it. I've had an officially, I'm tang with this crap. Honestly. That, I thought I was going to go. That's amazing. No sugar, they kill you. But no worse than this is. It turned over. Not well. Into the battery? Right, man. Right. Alright. Look. I'm going to say to you guys, that is just not working at all. We know it turned over because you heard it turn over before. I know the starter will work. I know it works. It turned the car over. We turned it over on the starter wheel. We know it worked. Nothing has changed. All we did is change the gearbox. Unless, of course, it's to do with the... If that's the plate, then maybe he didn't put back in, he didn't put the plate in. But if you put the plate in, space it further away in the space, it wouldn't go anyway. Yeah, you have no idea. I hate cars. I absolutely, unequivocally detest this, what I'm doing. I love the car, but I do agree with the people who say just go and spend all the money and buy it on you. They're not wrong. Unfortunately, Aldi comes to the rescue. They make my life sort of like better. It's not good, but they make it better. I think is that they ain't kicking in. And I wonder whether they ain't got enough spaces on that top bulb. See, my boy put it in, and I don't think he put the spaces in to put it up tight. And I looked down there. I don't know. Oh God, because when you hit it with a hammer, so hit it with a hammer and see what it does again. I will say, I got a gap early tomorrow, so I'm going to call it quits pretty early tonight. I ain't got anything else to do. I was going to bed. It's not like I've got a life or anything. So, that was it. When I say like that, and say, actually, measurement wise, we're pretty good. We got a measurement scale. We got 5 mil high this side. We got going out 10 mil that side. Although it's boxed and it broke up, but we can organise it because we got plenty of that. Some boys there might be a problem, but cross that bridge when we get there. There is some evidence here that there's some damage. Now, I'm not showing you, but there is evidence that there's some damage. It could be because this has lifted up. It's bent it, but I can't move it. I'm not going to try and move it. I'm not going to try and move it. It's just not going to. I'm going to go with the best fit I can. I'm quite happy with mine. And mine isn't bodged up old turd, you're right. It's bodged up out of all the bits that came out of it, apart from the engine, which the original block I've used, and the head I've used off the other engine. And I'm really getting to wish I had. I don't think the head's the problem. I think the problem is I'm trying to cut too many corners. I'm trying to make a start motor, I'm trying to make all this, I'm trying to make everything, I'm trying to cut corners on the cars, I'm trying to cut corners. And I know it's because I haven't got the amount of money to throw at this that I need. Because as everybody's told me in my videos, I need to throw money at the cars that are worth something, maybe the Aston Martins. Anyway, so I'm going to say there, I've had enough. I'm going to give it one more try. One more try. If it doesn't work, then I'm not going to try again. I don't know why it's not cranking over. I think it might be the battery. The battery comes out of my Tiger, and the battery might be flat. So I'll let it charge up. Let's see what it does, I think. Right? Because I had in my mind to get it running today. If I don't, it doesn't matter. So, right guys. Where are you recording this? I don't think no. I actually think that I've done a bit of research into this. I pumped some fuel. Got a big puddle underneath. That was not shutting off. I've got camera live from here. The spark. So I'm going to say, so I'm going to burst into flames, and I'm going to die, or it's going to burst into flames, and we're going to die, and you'll die with me. Well, I think you worked out that the battery hasn't got enough bollocks in it to do what I want to do. So to ask for a first start, it's not going to happen. So I'm just going to say, guys, keep liking and subscribing, because it's going to start. I'm going to drink, and then I'm going to pack it in and buy a pickup. So yeah, you know, like it's going to be fine. Like and subscribe, follow me about and all that crap. Talk to you soon. Bye.